Hello everyone, my name is Jene and you're watching Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Howdy everyone, my name is Jene, and for those of you that are new to the channel or just stopping by, a big howdy and welcome. Also to all my subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for spending some time with me tonight. I've got some really exciting news, and you're going to be seeing some pictures and some new artist announcements as I'm talking to you. So Treasure Studios Art has some really great things coming down the pipe. One of them is their magnificent packaging. So I'm really excited to share that with you, as well as they are doing a Pink Friday event. It's already started. So those of you that are interested in purchasing one of their gorgeous paintings, Treasure Studios Art is offering buy two and your third painting is free. So if you're interested in purchasing one of Treasure Studios Art's beautiful paintings, please go down below in the description. I will have my affiliate link there. So again, that's buy two and you'll get your third one free. All right. Also, there are a few new artists that you may want to check out, some really beautiful paintings that you may consider purchasing. So by saying that, let's take a look at these new artists and their beautiful artwork. All right, everyone. So guess what? You guys are seeing my finished Beyond the Horizon painting, and it turned out gorgeous. So not only is this an updated video for all of you that follow Treasure Studios Art and or interested in Treasure Studios Art, but this is also a full post review. And I'm really excited to show you this gorgeous painting because it turned out magnificently. This painting is called Beyond the Horizon. It is a 50 by 80 centimeter full round drill, and the artist is John Poppleton. We're going to do the pros and the cons. We're going to do the cons first, and then we'll jump into the pros. As I've said to you all before, I will always be 100% honest, upfront, and forthcoming regarding any of my unboxings, post reviews, first impressions, and so on. This painting is no exception. So by saying that, I do have one con, and I have to be honest, I think it's more of a personal preference versus an actual issue, but this is the one con that I came up with. The drills had a tendency of being stuck together, and it really made it hard when you were, picked up your groove and you were moving along and all of a sudden you had to stop and separate drills. So again, I wouldn't say it's an actual con, it's more of a personal preference, but for me it was kind of like, ugh, I have to stop again. Because the drills were stuck together, I wanted to be able to take this opportunity to show you a couple of ideas on how to resolve that problem. Because in some cases, it doesn't bother people, but in some cases it does. So let's show you two things that can help separate these drills. So one would be what we call a drill crusher. Some people will call it a drill separator, but basically it's a device that you would pour in your drills inside, and then you would put the top on, and then you would gently turn, and that would help separate those drills. Now this is what I would call the expensive route. Now these can average between, I've seen them as low as $8 and I've seen them as high as $25. So if you're one that's saying, well, you know what, I really don't want to spend a lot of money. Okay, I can solve that problem too. Now the other way that you can do this is what I call the I don't want to spend any money way. So that would be get a medicine bottle like this, or any bottle that is fairly thick in plastic, and you can take the lid off pretty easy. Okay? And then you would need a quarter. You could use a nickel, quarter, either one will work. All right? So we're going to do an example. Let's see which one does the best. So I'm going to grab some drills that I know are stuck together. I need a tray. Okay, and we're going to try and get into this bag. This bag is really not wanting to open. There it is. Oops. So I'm picking this color because I know this is one of the colors that had some of the stuck drills together. So I'm going to zoom in the camera so that you can see what I'm doing. Hold on. And there we go. All right. Now, see, as I'm shaking, you can see those little guys in there that's, they're stuck together. So I'm just going to bring them up. So you can see that there's quite a few drills there that are stuck together. All right. So the first one we're going to try is this. Again, this is a drill separator or drill crusher. I purchased this off of Archer's Art, and we're going to pour the drills inside here. Okay, I'm not going to use the whole thing. So as you can see, there are drills inside. You're going to put the lid on, and then you're just going to twist, and you're going to hear them popping. Come on. There we go. So hear them popping a little bit, okay? So you're not going to put too much pressure on this, but you're going to put a little bit of pressure on there because obviously you need to put a little bit on there, okay? So you're just going to twist this a couple of times. Make sure you get all the drills, off. And let's take a look at how well this did. Give it a shake. Now, I'm going to bring this up. And you can still see there are a few of them in there that are still stuck together. Not a whole lot, and I'm sorry I'm moving out of camera there. But there are a few of them around here that are still kind of stuck together. So it works, but it's a bit pricey, right? So now we're going to try the pill bottle. So let's make sure that we've got some stuck in there. And by the looks of it, it's really not that much. So I want to make sure that we do this fairly. So let's grab some in here. Oh yeah, this has got a lot. So I'm just going to bring this back up. There we go. And you can see all of this in the center. That is pretty much all stuck together. So now we're going to go ahead and put those in this pill bottle. I'm just going to do the whole thing. Okay. So you can see that the drills are inside here. You put your quarter in there. There's a couple stuck there. Put your lid on. Now, I'm going to warn you now, it's going to be a bit loud. You just shake it. All right, take the lid off. As you can see, when I took the lid off, I didn't have to worry about like this one here where it had drills stuck to it. So let's see how well this worked out. Now these are a bit staticky, so they're kind of clinging to the bottom of the medicine container. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that back in there. And you can see the drills are really static. That's one thing that you may end up fighting with. But all in all, let's see how this works separating those drills. So as you can see, those drills are pretty separated. Now there are a few that are still stuck together, but when you look at the difference between the two, even though this is a smaller bunch, this actually worked a lot better because there was a lot more drills, and there's still drills inside the bottom of the container. So it's just a suggestion. If you're looking for an alternative to separate your drills, that is a good alternative to go if you don't want to spend any money. So we're just going to tap this. But as far as I was seeing in regards to a con, this, in some ways, some people may think it's a con. Some people may say, well, you know what? Yes, it's a nuisance, but you know, it's doable. And or some may say, you know what, it doesn't bother me at all. So for me, I just find it a little bit annoying. But I don't believe it takes away from the quality of the painting or the drills. So it's just one of those things. And you will find them in just about any kit that you purchase. So we're just, boy, that's staticky. Holy smokes, I wonder why. I've got a dryer sheet in here, so it shouldn't be this staticky. But then again, it could have been caused from the quarters. So, all right, everyone. So let's go over the pros. So one of the major things that I felt was a big pro in this painting is these drills. Yes, they were stuck together, but the amount of shimmer and shine off of these drills is amazing. I look at it and it's wow. I really love the quality of the drills. Also, the drill field and the schematics, crystal clear, easy to follow. Also, another pro to this painting is the amount of extra drills that came with it. So I'm just going to show you really quick that this is the bag here. You can see I have tons and tons of spare drills. 310s, 939s. Look at this bag. So they give you a ton of extra drills. The adhesive is super strong. It doesn't yellow. It's all around a really beautiful product. Now, I'm not saying that because I'm an affiliate with Treasure Studios Art. I'm saying it because I'm being 100% honest with all of you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it like this and show you this beautiful painting from top to bottom. And as you can see, you can already see the sparkle in those drills. It's just gorgeous. Okay. So there you are. This is just a beautiful, beautiful painting. And again, like I said, tons and tons of sparkle, shimmer, and shine off of those drills. And I do not have crystals in this. So at the time that I started this painting, I didn't have the SS8s, so I wasn't able to swap any of those out. And honestly, I'm glad I didn't, because again, these drills are just super, super sparkly. So all in all, everyone, this painting is something that I would highly recommend. If this is something that you're interested in, again, check Treasure Studios Art out. There are some amazing paintings there. And again, if you're interested in purchasing, there is buy two, get one free. And Again, down below in the description will be my affiliate link. So by saying that, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and bid you all adieu. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, again, if you're new to the channel or just stopping by, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Again, my name is Jene. Thank you for spending some time with me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.